In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sticky mobile bottom menu bar through WooCommerce for beginners. If you want a simple, no-code way to keep your cart easily accessible on phones, a sticky bottom bar is a great solution. We'll set it up using a free plugin so your customers can see and access their cart from anywhere on your store without scrolling. Start by opening your WooCommerce website's WordPress dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Plugins to go to your plugins area. Next, head to Add New so we can find the tool we need. In the search field, type Sidecart WooCommerce. This plugin adds a sleek, always visible cart button and slide-out cart panel, which works perfectly as a sticky, mobile bottom bar. When the plugin appears in the results, click Install Now, and once that finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll see it listed under your installed plugins. From there, click the plugin to open it, then click Settings. This is where you'll fine-tune how the sticky cart behaves and looks on mobile. In the General tab, look for options related to enabling the sidecart and ensuring it's visible on mobile devices. If there's a toggle to control where the cart trigger appears, choose a bottom position so it acts like a sticky bottom menu on phones. Think about user convenience here. Keeping the trigger within thumb reach improves conversions. Move to the Style tab to match the design with your brand. Adjust the color of the button and the cart panel, set the icon style, and refine sizes and spacing. Aim for high contrast so the button is easy to see on small screens, and avoid overly large shadows or animations that could distract or slow the page. In the Advanced tab, you'll find more technical settings. If you're unsure, it's okay to keep defaults, but it's helpful to check options related to Ajax add to cart behavior and compatibility with your theme or caching plugins. The goal is smooth, instant updates to the cart without page reloads. Once you're happy with the configuration, scroll down and click Save. That's it, the sticky mobile bottom cart bar is now active. Open your store on a phone or use your browser's mobile preview to confirm the button stays fixed at the bottom and the slide-out cart works as expected. If something doesn't look right, revisit the Style tab for sizing and color tweaks, or the General tab for visibility rules. With just a few adjustments, you'll have a clean, user-friendly bottom menu cart that keeps shoppers engaged and reduces friction at checkout.